Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bread omelette. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and your preferred vegetables. I recommend finely chopping about 1/4 of an onion and 1/4 of a bell pepper. Don't forget your seasonings. Salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes will add a nice kick. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our flavorful egg mixture. Crack 2 eggs into a medium-sized bowl and whisk them vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, add your finely chopped onions, bell peppers, salt, pepper, and chili flakes to the whisked eggs. Stir everything together really well, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This creates a delicious base for your omelet. It's time to cook. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Make sure the pan is hot enough to get a nice sizzle. Carefully dip 1 slice of bread into your egg mixture, ensuring both sides are completely coated. Place the egg-coated bread into the hot pan. Repeat with the second slice. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the egg is set. Your delicious bread omelet is ready. Carefully transfer it to a plate and serve immediately. It pairs wonderfully with ketchup, a spicy chutney, or even a simple sprinkle of fresh cilantro or cheese. Enjoy this quick and satisfying meal any time of day. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.